Oh, I never do it, but it's a little early, so you know, we're doing it. Blast the line. Okay, everyone blast the line when you get in. Go on the blue if you want to shoot the crowd, Grayson.
Get him, Grayson.
Where's the button? Ah. Not on yet. All right, shoot the crowd. I think it's this, but they're not on yet. All right, is it on yet? Go, go, go. Pull the lever, Grayson. Okay, ours is on. Ah! 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 Shoot the line! Shoot the line! All right, now get the targets. You get the targets. Target. Nailed it. Oh, bro, they blasted us. All right, what do we got? Targets. Nailed it. You're not shooting any targets. Fire coming from everywhere. Targets, boats.
They don't hit us in here. You can't decide.
You also unevened the boat. Can't reach those. Can't reach. Can't reach. Finally.
Attention Viking. Boats will begin moving immediately. Please remain clear of the ride track. Once again, clear of the ride track.
Right through there. Get them. I can't. They're under attack. Oh, there's no one on that boat. Hit the targets. Ah! But doesn't turn that far. I'm trying. Got him! Glad I wore the poncho.
Dad, you can eat up there.
Oh, nice. Uh-oh. You can't shoot them? Shoot them!
I can't.
Ah, burn. Here's, we're stuck. Got some traffic. Oh, that dude is soaked. I'm glad I wore the poncho. I wasn't ready to get that wet. This is where you can get them. Look. I'm trying. It don't go that far. Watch out for the bomb right here, though. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, they took my gunpowder away. Oh, yeah, we're dead, but we're... Watch out, there's still bombs coming in. Definitely coming on our side. I got no water. Uh-oh. Ah! We're taking on fire! Ah! We're taking on cannons. I can't even fight back. We're out of ammo. We need a supply drop. We're taking fire. Imagine if you had a poncho. This ride is fun. A little chaotic. Oh man. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck in the firing range. Ah!
Look at the guy in the blue shirt. Yeah, that's fine.
All right. I think we're moving. We're almost out. All right. For your storage. Woo. Worth wearing the ponchos. Fun ride.